Awetobot has been installed, we can proceed with pairing it to the Awetonet-io cloud platform. Before we continue, here are some important notes. The installation of Awetobot can be done anywhere, for example, in the office or any location with a stable internet connection. Pairing, however, is different. It must only be done when Awetobot is connected to the remote site's network to ensure the correct network nodes are discovered. Once you've verified that Awetobot is physically connected to the intended site's network, let's begin the pairing process. On the left, we have Awetobot, which we've just installed. On the right, we're logged into the Awetonet-io cloud platform using a mobile phone browser. We know that sometimes it's not convenient to carry a laptop while on site, so we've made Awetonet-io mobile-friendly. For this pairing process, feel free to log in to Awetonet-io using your phone, laptop, or even the Awetobot's browser. Whatever is easiest for you. Let's begin the pairing process. On the Awetonet-io platform, click on What's Next, then select Network. Scroll down, and you'll see a pairing code. This code is unique to the site and will be used to pair the Awetobot with the Awetonet-io cloud platform. Enter this pairing code into the Awetobot's pairing screen. No need to worry about capitalization. Next, the Awetobot will begin the handshake process, establishing a connection to the Awetonet-io cloud platform. When the handshake process is successful, you'll see the Awetobot's machine ID displayed on both screens. Verify that they match to ensure the correct Awetobot is being paired. Once you've verified that the machine IDs match, click on Approve to complete the pairing process. The Awetobot will begin syncing information about the site. Once you see the connected status on the Awetobot and a success message on the Awetonet-io platform, the pairing process is complete. Now that Awetobot is paired, you won't need to interact with it directly unless there's a hardware or internet issue. From this point on, Awetobot will follow instructions from the Awetonet-io cloud,